Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Mga kapatid, kahapon po ating pinagnilayan ang kahalagahan ng pasasalamat. At yung pasasalamat ay nag-uumpisa sa ating awareness sa kabutihan ng Diyos at sa mga pagpapalang natanggap natin mula sa Kanyang kabutihan. Kaya po ang ating itutugon sa lahat ng pagpapala at kabutihan ng Diyos ay pasasalamat. And so, the greatest attitude in acknowledging the graciousness of God and the blessings and graces that we receive is gratitude. Today, one aspect of gratitude is being emphasized in our readings. And this aspect is appreciation. In our first reading today, St. Paul to his letter to the Romans emphasizes that his mission is to proclaim the greatness of God to pagan nations. And St. Paul proclaims to us that we have to appreciate the greatness of God through His presence. And through His presence, we come to know that God is all-powerful. We come to experience that God is really bigger than all our challenges in life. And so we have to appreciate the presence of God in our lives. In our Gospel reading today, Jesus declares that there is someone greater than Jonah and the wisdom of Solomon. And he is referring to himself, his presence, his being in their midst. But sadly, people were not able to appreciate our God, His presence in our midst or in their midst. Kaya po napakahalaga na yung pasasalamat ay may kasama itong appreciation. Nagpapasalamat tayo, we appreciate people. Kaya po pag talaga pong magpapasalamat tayo, then we acknowledge the goodness of other people. We appreciate and we really value yung pagbabahagi na natanggap natin mula sa Diyos at mula sa ating kapwa-tao. Mga kapatid, sana po sa araw na ito, let us challenge ourselves and appreciate people around us, those people who continue to help and support us. And most especially, we appreciate God who never fails to sustain us, to nourish us, and to give whatever we need. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.